Hi guys, welcome to the Wow Prize. Today we are in my backyard because we built here on the time of the coronavirus, like when you're not going anywhere, a big shelter. I decided to get the solar panel with the solar panel. And the main request was it's not just the normally bulb, it's also like LED with the sensor. As you can see, like there's a sensor here and you can plug it in here. You see there's a charger like in there. So just to see how it works, like is there a timer, like yeah, you set up the timer. No, it's just the sensor lag, so it's no need the timer. So we're gonna install them now. That's the solar panel. Everything comes with it, like yeah, there's instruction. You can read the manual, like how to install it. If there is something, like you know. Now it just show you the lights. There's two types of lights, like which will be like big square on 6 small squares. So the solar panel, it shouldn't be somewhere on the back to current. Like in my situation, I'm gonna put it onto the wall and then I'm gonna drop it onto the roof. That it will be enough sun, because in here we get the sun from there up to there and then on the back of it, like so like most of the time I should put it somewhere in the middle that the sun goes around, like and it makes enough light, I mean the sunlight into the panel. Now there's a bolt, everything is provided, like 2 holders for the one is for the light. You're just taking it like side of it. As you can see, there's a slider in here, slider in there, so you just put it here and then just slide well in, like up to the end. That's it. Second one, there's only a few screws, like so you slide the same like in here, just into the slider, just press well. Yeah, because like you see the plastic was not done properly completely, or I put wrong way. Actually, like it stays in there, it's don't want to move. That's my point. You see, like you can bend, like you have to remove this plastic piece from it just to get enough light. So is they gonna turn it on now, like as the power on? No, like leave it for a while that it's gonna charge up. Let's install it. As you can see in my situation, like I have table here and I want to have it for the moment 2 lights which will be like in this corner and in that corner, pointing onto the table. If it's gonna be not enough, then I put extra 2 on the other side, like on the wall. So I got the, you can do it like with the ordinary or motorized, like I do it my one leg and also with my bolts because I have a head leg, that one. So I turn around them a little bit, as you can see, like that the square will be not this side because I need to point this way. On the lamp there is a hole, hole which is allow you to turn it this way. If you put it another way, you can't turn it, it's only facing down, like so. I want to just point it in here. Yeah, so I want to put it onto the roof, the panel, that will be enough sun going from there. So the same story, like you just So now I can operate the panel different direction if I need it, and it will be enough sun going in, so leave it in there. Now we're gonna put the cable, hide it somewhere, like you need to just secure it, that it's not gonna blown away by the windows, or by the wind, not windows, sorry. So you can use the holders for the cables, like those ones, just to get proper way, like, and it's not gonna fall nowhere, like, you know how it goes. Like, as you can see, like, I have a short distance from the panel to from the solar panel to the lamp, and I need to hide this cable somewhere. Like, you have to find it your way where you're gonna hide it. Like, for me it will be perfect if I hide it somewhere on the roof. So first of all I have to get shorter, just make it shorter, and see if we can hide it somewhere up there. Yeah. So I hide it behind the timber, like it's not gonna be seen the cable which is left. So as you can see, the light is facing down, like, to the table. Let's do the second one. I finished my installation. I can't test now, like, because it's too bright. There's no operation for the darkness, like brightness. So I believe the sensor will be start working when it's gonna be dark. In my situation, I have to wait until it's gonna be dark. In your situation, it's gonna be just now. So I got it working. But the trouble is, one is working, another one is not. So I'm not sure if it's enough. The light goes to the battery, but I believe it should be enough. So as you can see, like, how bright it is, or how dark it is. Yeah, the trouble is with them, it has a sensor and nothing else. You can't operate it too long with it. I mean, it stays some particular time, for example, like 2 minutes, and that's the second one I have in my shed. You see, it's not bad, like, but it's still not bright enough. So on this area I should put like 2 or 3, like, I believe it should be in the corners. Yeah, you see, like, if I'm facing, yeah, bright enough. So they're not bad, like. Thanks for watching, and I see you next time at WoW Price.